all slight misses across the board for the most part in the UK and Eurozone and Germany and France.
I would like to, into the morning, I'd like to see ES and Q to the bottom of this range. I don't know if we're going to be able to. We did take out previous day low on NQ, did not do that on ES. Taking out Asia low, so we could easily just open up and take out these highs pretty fast. Overall, though, I would like to see it move lower. Gold is at the highs.
I'm leaning more on the bull side.
Yo, good morning, guys. What's up?
Good morning, good morning.
What's up?
Good morning.
Silver's still looking great, too, by the way.
Silver?
Not quite at the moment, but just right there, 78.
Morning nuts.
Good morning, everyone. Jordan, you looking at silver?
Yeah, I was just saying, like, she's looking good. I'm not trading it, but looks like it wants those all-time highs again.
I'm going to sell covered calls on Zeta at the open.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
It's up about 30% in the past week, so.
Zeta's has that news, the OpenAI part.
Yes.
Last night, and
They have
a little crazy on it.
Yeah, tonight they have an interview with Dan Ives. But I'm gonna buy like a week or two out. I mean, again, it's up 30%. I know how it trades. I mean, hey, I'm not gonna do a lot of covered calls. If I get put away, if I get called away on it, honestly, I wouldn't care. I still have a lot of shares.
So I could have sworn you. Yeah, okay, never mind. I was gonna say I could have sworn you were one of the first people wrong on that name.
Oh, I've been in this name for about a year now.
Yeah, the only reason I know it is because you would talk about it.
It's literally one of the most undervalued companies in the market right now. Sniper.
Yo.
I saw a headline about Lockheed Martin earlier, but it was super opaque. I'm wondering if you know anything else about it.
What was this headline that you saw?
It was just Department of Defense contract, but like there wasn't a dollar amount, there wasn't an actual order. I believe I saw it on First Walk.
I'm posting the defense contracts every single day on Wolf Defense. You could see them there daily, but yesterday we only saw Navy contracts come in. Yesterday, surprisingly, was the lowest day of government defense spending in the last 2 weeks or so. And it was just pretty much the Navy buying research and development stuff for some ships. But last week there was a couple of Lockheed contracts, some of them that were like $40-50 million, but I have just about every single contract every day, Monday through Thursday, posted on that account for the last month or so. I'll look around for it.
Cool. Yeah, I just turned on those notifications. I saw the headline and just like no actual details.
Market
I'm long
is
gold
open.
here, 3-minute EMA risk.
All right. If we do get a pullback here out of the gate, 60. Let's see, what's our 9 period? So 68.84 is a 9 period moving average, and there's also a POC from last Wednesday that's kind of right around that 68.77. So if we do get any drift,
seems like we just pumped into Asia high.
Yeah, there's London taken. Asia's next.
Not to cut you off.
There's
no, you're good. Just giving you guys some levels as well, just to keep on your for the downside. I like to look at the kind of daily levels and then look at inside of there.
MU's ripping.
Zeta options are finally open after it dumped on the opening candle at 70%.
4-point gain.
Runners only now.
Gold sold half.
There we go. Jesus, thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right.
Good morning.
Previous day high is at 708 on NQ.
Good morning to you.
already took out midnight.
Tesla
I was
taking
right
a
over it.
hit this morning out of the
Is
gate
that-
here.
Mm.
Yeah, 442. Tesla down 2%.
Yeah, smacked up.
Meta pushing here.
Wow, my MU calls are ripping.
Some flow just came in on MU as well out of the gate. 380 calls.
Oh,
Did you sell your Zeta, Casey?
I have one contract left, but I sold a majority of them at 70% or at the
Let's
open
go.
in the money.
Let's go.
If it would have held up closer to the 2350 area, that would have been about 100, 125%. But
And I
It is
saw
what
that
it
they brought
is.
it in a bit. I'm like, damn.
yeah, I know. And then the options chain was frozen at the open on the downside
course.
candle. You couldn't do anything.
Yeah. Or if you do
I-
get filled, like it's like not where you want it to initially.
right? IWM a little weaker here. It does have an inverse cup and handle on the 15 and 30 minute. So 251.50 will be back testing previous week high. Could be a good area of support for longs, but if bulls fail right there and it does break and close under that, you could see that inverse cup and handle play down. Target downside will be closer to 250.50 and then 250 psych level.
Apple is breaking below 266, and Microsoft looking a little heavy as well, along with Tesla. Those are kind of some weakness right out of the gate that I see.
It's kind of alert on UPS.
Yeah. 10-point gain gold, sold a quarter. Breaking pre-market high, as well as London orb high.
Yeah, NQ hit London highs. ES waiting to hit previous day value area high, 6957.5 area.
Ooh, nice pop here on UPS. Contract's almost at 200. There it is. Alert just went off. All right.
NQ taken. Wow. Okay. ES is lagging. Decent amount now. Opposite of what we saw yesterday.
Took a small trim here on UPS on these contracts, just over 200. Pushing here at the open, about to hit 103.
So yes, manager 10 minutes sell services PMI. Watch out.
My goodness, I've just been typing. I haven't looked at the chart.
Pfizer. We caught off that flow yesterday on PFE. What's it doing? Oh my goodness, PFE, Pfizer. There was a call yesterday that came in on the flow. The 28th for June 2026. Big stick on Pfizer out of the gate.
Vistra, ticker VST, is up almost 6% today. They announced an acquisition after the close yesterday. They acquired about 5,500 megawatts of natural gas generation.
Pretty decent chances on Edgeful that we fill this gap to 587 on NQ. That would be a new low.
According to Edgeful, we're so far 17% bullish, 17% bearish, and 67% neutral.
Wow.
It's feeling like an inside day.
Ooh, I should have swung the freaking Apple puts. Where's Will?
MNQ
Well-
long, 3-minute
I
EMA
know.
rift.
Under 265. Ah, look at that.
I know.
Ah.
What
an ugly daily chart. It's about what it filled the gap. What is the gap goes to 264.13. It hit 264.4. God.
I still think that 260 area is probably the first target.
What? Yeah,
I mean,
absolutely.
unless the only thing we could do is if we close back above 265 today, to hold this support level back from late November that we kind of have to the left of the chart there. That'd be what I'd be looking for, but that thing is just drilling again.
Insane.
Which once again, this is that classic, like I was saying, you gotta look at these big names because of these
20-point
big names
gain.
don't-
MNQ sold half.
I was about to say nice entry maps. I couldn't find them.
Amazon showing some relative strength out of the gate here, 234. Keep an eye on that one. And Google looks good as well.
New high
Both
day
nice
and
candles.
We talked about
Nvidia
this
is
thing
muted.
yesterday, AA. Alcoa, more calls just came in, $80 calls for July 17, 2026.
Aluminum name.
Had a good last 2 sessions and then crazy flow yesterday and some more today.
Aluminum.
Aluminium.
Aluminium.
Yeah, there you go. That's what we
So
needed.
wrong. So wrong.
No, it's yours. Why does your word sound like it's glowing? Aluminum.
Yours
It sounds like a Harry. It sounds like a Harry
Aluminium.
Potter spell. Sounds like a Harry Potter spell. Aluminum.
You know, the other thing that's been on fire is copper. I don't know if anybody's looked at copper at all, but that is on a tear over $6.
Metals have been so crazy hot. I think with this whole like AI and energy, I think this is
15-point gain gold sold down to the runner.
the sector to really watch out for this year.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, look at the daily on USAR. It's a beautiful double bottom off 1175. It's pushing back over 17. It's just a huge W. So now it looks like it can get a move back closer to, 18, 19 bucks. Once it starts getting above that, I mean, there is a gap to fill above 21, which takes it to 2350. So I mean, that chart's looking really good on the higher time frame.
I don't have any actual evidence to support this with, but it's feeling like all the metals are moving independently. It used to be like the metals and then silver, but right now it feels like,
Break
each
even
has
stop
their
hit. MNQ.
each has their own kind of motivation.
Will,
IWM, look at that tweezer bottom off the previous week high, 251.50, still holding.
do you guys have a good uranium stock ticker?
Soldier Boy.
Handful,
Oh, yeah.
You.
Soldier Boy. I was looking at these.
BAH and BWX.
MNQ long scalp 3-minute EMA risk.
He doing it.
I have a little LEU. What's up, man? Yeah.
How
Tesla
was,
under 440.
How was the keynote speech in person? Is that nice?
Yeah, it was pretty cool. Honestly, I'll be here for a little bit, so I'm sure trades are.
You got to meet Jose too.
Belonging to tight wrist.
Jose's cool.
Shout
Cool
out.
guy.
That's awesome.
Ticker symbol U is there.
Let's go.
It's a good time. At Tanner, Stock Talk.
Pat was mentioned. Saw
Top
that.
in profit, but still in position.
This UEC isn't looking too bad either. Uranium energy. Slightly different play.
All out and give.
Ooh, Amazon's trying to.
I'm long Nvidia.
AMD with the freaking gulag candle.
Uh-oh.
It has
AMD
a
looks
gap
so
to
good.
fill from New Year's, from Wednesday to Friday session. If it breaks down, into 216.60.
20-point gain.
Down to
MNQ
214.
sold half.
Wait, noise.
There's just
Ooh,
Tesla's
Apple.
still super heavy.
Apple's
Tesla and
still
Apple.
going.
Yeah, I think 260's in the cards for Apple.
Amazon's looking okay. That one's holding up. Google gave it up. Looks like Amazon's like the only.
Yeah, Meta gave it up too.
Act 7. Uber's up. Ripping.
Break even
And
stop
UNH.
loss hit. MNQ.
UNH now, Will, almost up 3%.
Yeah, you're seeing leadership in healthcare. If you look at the sectors, like healthcare looks good. XLB 157 now. Financials a little bit on the weaker side, and then technology on the weaker side as well, coming off the highs. So you're getting a little rotation. Utilities got a bid. Staples got a bid. So you're kind of getting a little defensive rotation here.
United Parcel Service, new high of day.
Let's go.
Let's go, brown box truck. Let's go, baby. Let's go again. Who the fuck trading these names? Who else trading these names? I don't know. Oh, contracts over 210 here. Stop at entry. Trade doesn't go red. So now looking for a 103.50 break and then move up to 105. After 105, it's just free cash after that.
Dividend investors. That's who. Actually, it has a decent chart. Massive downfield to go.
Which one?
UNH.
MNQ long,
Oh,
VWAP
yeah.
risk.
480s to the 571s. If you're in for the long haul, I would suggest equities.
Ooh, UNH popping. My cost basis on UNH shares, I think, is 284.
Shout out UNHG, 2x leverage.
Yeah.
That is what, up 4% today? Up 5.35. Love to see it. Shout out leverage shares.
Oh, UNH was in a daily squeeze since Monday, December 20th. It flipped bullish yesterday morning. On the squeeze indicator, it had been bullish prior since Monday, December 29th. I have a zone right up here that takes it closer to 353.
I just replied to the space with this some probability numbers I've been working on ES. Probability of breaking levels on upside or downside. It's a bit higher probability that we break upside levels, but their numbers are low enough that it kind of doesn't matter. And comparable enough that it's very close. Yeah, from the options though, new system, wanted to give some more info and kind of put a line in the sand for me testing it.
I'm not allowed to trade LMT analyzer. The Discord members have banned me from touching that one.
I just hold them.
18-point gain, MNQ sold half.
Data 60 seconds.
Oh yeah, watch out for that.
20-point gain, MNQ. I'm going to sell a little quarter here.
Nice.
300% on Pfizer. What the figgity foot is going on? Oh my god.
Trapped him. Here we go, SPY NQ.
There you go, baby.
Look at this. Oh, it's still going.
Yeah, healthcare is hot right now. Tell you that.
Shout out to the flow from yesterday. Holy shit. All right, 10 seconds.
I think sellers trapped on VWAP there if they maintain above this 650s.
US S&P Services PMI actual 52.5, forecast 52.9, previous 52.9, composite
50-point
PMI.
gain, MNQ sold down to the runner.
Composite PMI actual 52.7, forecast negative, previous 53.
So
NQ new high.
There you go, new high, yep.
59 for
Yeah, it's
59
just
forecast.
slight misses.
Let's see if we take out previous session high. Taking out previous session lows.
Qualcomm's going. QCOM.
Big stick SPY. Oh, Zeta back over 23. Oh.
calibration. Let's go. LMG's up almost 5%. Oh damn.
There's the bill breaker 700.
And there's not much juice in these options.
Volatility is dying a bit. VIX at 14.69.
Our two
I
eyes
think-
trying to get it going.
I think VIX still has a small gap to fill down to 14.53, if I'm not mistaken, from over the weekend. Could see a little bit more of a move downside on VIX. It's looking disgusting right now.
My brain says to short at these previous day highs, but I'm gonna stay flat and do nothing.
I don't hate it because if you look at the
Previous day high
tick,
break.
the tick this morning so far is still closing under the zero line on this move up. IWM's completely flat still, just whipping back and forth.
So is why I'm not playing along at all. Metals moving higher.
Your account's up 43% today because of Pfizer. Holy shit.
Damn.
Let's go. That's how you full port, baby. Just kidding. Don't do it.
He's not kidding. Do it.
Risk
Tesla,
manager.
37. They're ripping Tesla lower.
Getting an alert on Clover. Yeah, another health name. Absolutely looking gorgeous.
I haven't heard that name in forever.
Right? I traded it one time last year and it was a banger.
When I first started trading it, I held it like a schmuck.
It's got some resistance at like 275, 280. Over that, it has room to 320.
MU is exploding.
Is it still going?
Oh yes, 330s.
Dude, what were those 380s? They were for. Oh. Wait. These just came in a minute ago. 330s for January 9th. The float earlier was 380s for March 20th, 2026.
I'm fortunate I at 7 times.
I just got an alert on the brown box truck stock. That was my alert that I should be trimming and my stop should be moved up, which we did on the previous candle, but new highs here. I'm gonna order something offline today and request that it only comes UPS because of the fact that the commercial calls.
Oh yeah, baby.
And we're like, how does FedEx work? Like, did it look like I traded FTX today? No. I didn't trade FTX today. I traded UPS. $100-point gain in mid-Q. I'm all out. If previous day high on SPY, I do not hate it for a short here if we see sellers step in. VIX is still falling. It just broke previous day low. It's almost near the gap. It's like
Stop
away.
Yeah, Nvidia catching a bid here. Google back on them. Amazon looks good to the upside. AMD's weaker.
Amazon breaking trend line here.
Yeah, there's your string.
And Q is shripping.
Ripping, baby, ripping.
of supply on NQ, 780s up to 800.
I don't have anything past this freaking DS high day yesterday. Unless we get running through this 969. I got last Friday, but the Friday before high.
Yeah, your next spot I see in ES would be 6878.
Love my guys.
But 12% plus higher. We do have that high from yesterday. We tagged and then left with some highs up there. So
Damn, man.
chop through here for a minute. Tesla down $13.
Damn.
Money, honey. Ouch. Money.
Yeah, Rivian down almost 2%.
Oh ho ho. Cruise lines. There you go. NCLH.
Yes, I know. I was gonna tell you this morning.
40%. Ah. Let's fucking go.
Let's see, 4,500 on gold here.
Insane. Insane in the membrane. Trade views lagging. Yeah, CCL not the dude. It was definitely NCLH. You have a little resistance here on NCLH at 2360 to 2375. So watch for that. After that, 24 to 24.15 starts the next zone. I don't see why we don't push up a little bit higher now that we're at this point on SPX. The gap fill is only $5 higher. And VIX has that gap fill just underneath it as well. So it would make more sense to see price action on SPX push closer to 69.28.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Dude, we have a lot of speakers. I didn't realize you could even have that many speakers up here.
Sure. Yeah, like 13
Nice.
plus 2 hosts. I believe.
Damn.
Crazy.
And they stacked up.
Stacked up.
Slowing down here with 730s.
This market's being a little wild. Let's keep ripping from here. Cool. I don't have any conviction for it. So.
What'd they do to Tessie?
Huh? Yeah. That thing is rough.
They say anything at CES about Tesla?
I think it was just automated driving stuff. Evan's there though, right now.
Yo.
Yo.
I'll be back in like 15 minutes or so to be able to better talk. But I think it was NVIDIA yesterday. They announced their new like self-driving car model and stuff like that. Partnership with Mercedes to get that out. But so Jensen says coming Q1 we'll be on the roads in US this year. Elon was saying that he thinks it's like 5 to 6 years out to be at a similar place. A Republican lawmaker just died, just passed away. I just got a CNBC notification. Republican Representative Doug LaMalfa.
on IWM yet. SPX almost at gap fill.
Lions not playing on.
Let's go, brown box truck. Give me another push to 105.
Dude, Amazon, Jesus Christ.
I think she's moving.
She's just going.
God, dude, they freaking hammered those Tesla 440s Friday.
You guys what?
Alright, less than $2 away, SPX.
MU is popping.
It's a big morning, fuck.
Yeah, your leading sectors: healthcare, then tech, and then builders. XLB.
Really?
Yeah, those are your top 3 sectors. there.
Basic materials, XLB.
Yeah.
Alrighty, I'm just waiting.
I'm waiting
That
for
is
exhaustion up
almost
here.
too, but
I might be with Mincy.
Yeah, if we get up to 25,800, would be ideal
a little short up here.
to take a short up there. Yeah, I'm just kind of waiting to see where the exhaustion is going to be because the risk reward is going to be better.
Yeah, the other level I had was at in the ES about 10 points higher.
Holy Amazon.
Dude, fucking Amazon, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I know.
Dang.
I gotta trade some more, dude. This is like, what the fuck? 237 was a level, right? Was.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I don't know. This might just keep going.
236.50 to 237.30, I think, is a spot. But the way that it's acting, I don't see why 238, 239, honestly.
Yeah, that's where I'm at. But this was my swing on Friday, and I'm just like, it's up $10. What the fuck?
What would be concerning is if we do start to get a little toppy on spine Qs and we pull back after Amazon had that move, it could pull back a tad bit, but
You kind of got thin. I think you got thin structure on ES all the way up another like 8-9 points. There's not much here now that you cleared yesterday's high.
We're pretty much at gap fill last few weeks.
Yeah, IWM looks like it's gonna gear up for something here. Or gonna try.
$30 orb set.
a little bit higher. Still filled together. Almost there. Just $1 away. SPX. If that.
Jesse's still going.
I believe it just fell there right there.
Yeah. All right. SPX gap has been filled.
I'm shorty asset at 7-1.
NDX does still have a little bit higher for its gap fill. Holy move this morning.
Relentless bid here.
Yeah.
I don't hate Tesla calls down here. If buyers do start to step in, you do have a zone. This is the low from Friday's session. Tesla bounced just between 435, 436 area. A little overextension downside. Could see just a pop back up. Maybe retest 440 for another rejection. So I don't hate it. Q is entering into a supply zone from previous sessions from Monday and Tuesday, December 29th, December 30th. Goes up closer to 622.85, but the zone starts at 622. I'm not sure I want to catch this falling knife on Tessie, but I don't mind. There's a reward on it.
The small one. It's probably low right there.
Yeah. Well, scalpy. Let's see. January 16th.
Trailing stop loss hit gold and profit 20 points.
Okay, I'm looking to get into a starter short position. I'm just waiting for this candle to close.
3 minutes. I'd like to see if I think in ES, if you do get the pullback, it's going to be at about 61.50.
And my charges was so low.
Just waiting.
So take these Tesla 460, January 16, very small, 410.
Come on.
And it wants more still mix. IWM's trying to.
NVIDIA looks a little toppy. I have go to.
Russell's
Okay.
TBX
to be
really. Apple Pro. Oh, 265. No love on that one.
Gold long, 10-minute red candle buy.
Come on, yes, just do it.
Alright.
Thanks, can you talk to him?
Thanks, you
Yeah.
do. Let's go.
Okay, I'm getting in.
I'm gonna try with this.
I'm short. Starter position. I will add more if we get up to 800.
Those OGN calls are freaking mooning too from yesterday.
Dude, a 688's 5 foot would be kind of crazy, right? For $30, I try it.
Jesus. All right, nice rejection so far on Qs up in the zone. IWM, your high day.
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
You mean 969.67? Yes.
Oh yeah, the OGN $8 calls were in the money. Let's go.
I tried to pull back and then now it's trying to push back up.
All right,
Oh, shit.
here we go.
That's okay. It's a starter position. I'm gonna add more. If we get up to 800 and 865.
I feel like that would have Gantry right there.
Here we go. Scalpy Tesla.
Uber's still up 5%.
Bing bong. All right, little trim.
Bing bong.
Catch a freaking falling knife, baby.
Come in a bit. Come on.
There we go. Tessie. You can move a stop up to secure green trade here.
Oh, I got it.
Beautiful.
I think yes, we gotta see that 70. What did I say? 78. 69.77. I think that'd be your first.
450.
Hi guys, I'm just gonna be mute for a few minutes, but I'm gonna still be here.
Supposed to chart in a second, but this is again the low Friday, January 2nd. Zoom even farther left on Tesla. Go look at December 8th, December 9th. Right there, all prices came back down closer to 435.30. And so far, nice little bounce. Again, just for a scalpy day trade, that's why.
Yup, yup, yup. I'm doing good. Okay. Yeah, I just opened a call credit spread on NDX. I sold the 25,000. You could do either or. So you could sell the 25,720 or sell the 25,730, and then I went 30 wide of that. For Qs, I'd look at. By the way, that is a 96% probability of profit there. For Qs, I'd look at.
Sold the what? 25 what?
720 and 730, and then I went 30 wide of each. So I bought the 750 and the 760.
So the 5 deltas.
Yeah, basically. And then for Qs.
Jesus, Amazon 238.50.
Yeah, your
Qs.
one standard deviation is at 25,660, so it gives you about 70 points worth of room.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like the Qs really.
I went short on SPY, and the price is bouncing. My puts are increasing in value.
That means VIX is rising. That's the
Yeah.
And that it is.
VIX is ripping. Oh my goodness. My puts, I bought these at 2. SPY bounce. They're at 234 now.
So I'm gonna say I like.
What the shit? All right, I just trimmed some at 245.
God damn it, you.
Trim.
Let's fucking go. Oh, man. I love when you're short. It's not even moving back.
Oh yes, baby.
Yeah.
Feed me.
Stop at entry. 255. Yep, same thing, CJ. Let's go. All right.
Show me 700. I ain't no bitch.
Tree fitty. Give it to me.
So value on the day is kind of right around the 70, 71 level. Kind of your high volume area right now. You kind of got thin structure between 63 all the way down to like 53. So
Talking about Jesus Christ.
They may try to move back to value. I think we maybe just move in this area for a bit. We came right, we just tagged. I mean, from that short up there, we came right back to yesterday's high, which is 63 and a quarter on ES, or 63.50.
You're hitting 10-minute kind of support right here on SPY and 10-minute 9 VWAP. Just looking for a quick flash below, closer to 689.2. I'll take another trim off. You did get that 15-minute reversal on SPY candle close.
I mean, the only thing that is actually good is Amazon.
Amazon totally hit target. I don't know.
100%.
That is the only name that is actually like green and like with force.
Amazon break 238.
Yeah.
238.50.
Oh, right between 238 239.
Yeah, I closed it.
Insane.
Insane in the membrane.
Your 5-minute 21 on
Jesus,
Hughes.
Sarah. 8%. SoFi still drilling.
Is it?
Yeah.
Amazon's gonna make another new high today though.
Fuck that. Cool.
Oh my god, SoFi.
Dude, I had Amazon 230 calls on Friday for like a fucking change. I'm like, I can't really press it that much more. AMD way below daily range. Man. You never like Lisa's presentations.
Oh my goodness, AMD. Oh, M's got to be up like 150% now.
The AMD is just taking an ass beating.
A money destroyer?
Not like CBX though.
Advanced money destroyer.
Yeah, CBX is giving it all up. That whole move. I feel bad for those people that chased it yesterday.
Yeah, dude, some of the stores like Western Dig is up a grip. I was just returning at 35. Yeah.
Santis goes up freaking.
T-body.
Oh god, the headline just went away. I just saw it.
Micron. Yeah, memory.
Paper, I heard you were all in ASML on its 200-point rip the past 3 days.
Who are you talking to?
You.
Oh no,
Why not?
not me. FCX have been and Amazon by 2 trades the last 2 days.
Supreme Court sets Friday as opinion day with tariffs pending. The Mexican president calls for a fair trial for Venezuela president. Just a few.
10 minute too short, 10-minute green.
Wow, Zeta came all the way back. Very nice.
I
Walking.
took some China yesterday. Nuts. That's about it.
China.
Yeah, but diagonals, calendars, time spreads.
What tickers?
Baidu.
Baidu.
I keep looking at this China AI self-driving ticker. Pony.
PONY, obviously.
Yes.
Pony.
What's Oscar doing ever since it went over that level?
It's still sitting at 17.
I am red on those covered calls, but it's fine.
The thing also got to be worried. I sold the cover call on it too, but the worry is. Yeah, so did I. The worry is that if ACA comes out, that's still gonna rip.
I'm not worried at all. I'll let it go in court to decide on tariffs on Friday.
Yeah.
You're late, Evan. I just said that.
Let's not criticize it.
Jesus. Yeah, the Rivians, those ones are up, I think 45%. My Oscars are down 60. But here we go, baby. See, look, now SPY is moving a little bit lower, but my premiums are now moving slower. There we go. There we
20
go.
point gain MNQ covered half.
Bing bong. Our previous day high retest. A little bit lower, 20 cents. Pull the plug.
Yeah, Paper Pony became the largest 2025 IPO globally for autonomous driving
Yeah.
in the world.
Yeah.
On Hong Kong Exchange in November, ended more than 4 billion Chinese yuan in cash. They have really great cash flow, and the expansion to robo-taxi is insane. They went over the expected numbers completely.
Yeah.
Demand
Pull it. Pull the plug. SPY has a DNR. Pull the plug.
Oh shit.
There we go. Whoa, mother. All right, I'm out majority here.
30 point gain.
262.
Covered a quarter MNQ.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
Dude, on fucking fire.
My call spreads are already 70%.
I should have taken the SPX there.
If we drop hard and we find a bottom, put spreads.
I'm up 57 points, 58.
There we go, baby. There we go, baby. Yes. Yes, ma'am. She's dropping that thing.
Okay. I'm gonna trim one out.
Trim. Hodl. $15-minute evening star, baby. 9 times out of 10. Next candle's what?
Red.
Let's go, baby.
Well, if you took the short from 77 and you're still in it,
Oh, I'm still in it, baby.
I got to jump for a few. I'll be back in a bit.
Yes, sir.
We called this out 10 minutes prior before it formed. There we go. I'll take that trade every single fucking 6-7 times out of 10.
What did he say?
What did he say? Jump on it, let's do it. Ride it, my
All the way
pony.
down.
Gosh, dang, son.
I can't believe that this trade took this long to work out. That is insane. That would be hilarious if we do feel.
There you
Oh,
go.
it's 74. Let's go.
Let's go.
There's
She's
the operator.
dead.
It sure does.
All right, there's equilibrium right here.
Yeah, trim.
Spy. So big trims, big trimmies. Now we flush underneath this, dude.
Testing any lows.
Oh my god.
72 points now.
$280 here on the puts. Oh, let's go. Out majority. There goes iDubbbz. iDubbbz had the same exact setup, just smaller time frame, and did it before SPY and Qs did.
I think iDubbbz was the signal. Like when it hit yesterday's high, it just kind of started to pull back. That's when everything else kind of started.
Yeah. All those 5-minute candles closed underneath of it, and then it printed the reversal and started to play while SPY and Qs were stalling.
Yeah.
And then once VIX just started ripping, apparently, then
Well, that was pretty.
hell yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's called FFMAT.
What?
What did she say?
Far from moving average trade.
Oh, what did
That
she
was my
say?
That's
Lots of
my
letters.
favorite trade. It's called the far from moving average trade, and it works like
times
85
out
to
of 10.
90% of the time, but
It works all the time.
yeah.
She never loses.
Never
I do.
lost.
No.
Never lost. No, I actually like that setup as well.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, Rocket Lab's new high stuff.
Yes, I know. I was gonna buy it around 75.
I was gonna grab these $80 calls this morning.
Don't upset me anymore, paper.
I sat here
Anyway,
watching
guys,
it.
I'm gonna go. I am nicely green. I'm gonna I have an appointment, so.
Okay.
Peace.
Bye, me.
Bye,
See ya.
guys. Yeah.
Palantir also hanging in a lot of defense stuff. Dude, was last night the annual picks? I saw this post and I was like, what?
Yeah, you got Rivian and what was the other one you did?
Probably hoodie. I don't know.
You know what's funny is
that.
I sent him Path and Zeta when I was supposed to do Rivian, and I gave my speech on Rivian last night, thinking that I wrote Rivian in the thing. So you have Rivian now.
Wait, why?
No. I'm saying I messed up. But you wrote Rivian and something else. I forgot what you wrote. I think it was Rivian and Hood. I think you're right.
Did you tell the story of why?
Of why what?
Why those would be picks or no? Did it just go on?
So yes, I was explaining why I like Zeta, and then I explained why I liked Rivian, but mistakenly I put Path because when I was writing a lot of Path posts at the time when I sent that in, so I must have put Path and wrote about it. So yeah, I messed up. But yeah, I have Path and Zeta for 2026.
You didn't take Oscar?
I wish I could do more than 2. But I am slowed down, Oscar.
In reality, though, like I was just like, that's kind of like, those are nice. Honestly, like there's some charts that I'm like, okay, legit, we need more than 2, but like, go look at an Ulta quarterly chart, and if we're gonna have a pullback this year, you know, the lipstick trade, good fucking god.
Wait. Sorry. So what about Ulta?
If we have a midterm year, which is rough, choppy pullback, then the lipstick trade plays. But go look at Ulta, the chart. Look at that quarterly chart.
Wait, I remember. What does the lipstick trade mean again?
Is it like spending gets pulled back on a lot of stuff, but not on your
Like cosmetics?
Yeah.
Hmm.
You know, plus GLP-1s, maybe you have lipstick being involved. There, people are going out more. You know.
Yeah, I'm looking at the quarterly on it right now.
It's gonna be nasty.
Nasty.
This is an all-time high break.
Paper, you nasty.
Yeah, I have a feeling it's gonna be on the all-time high list like regularly. From Evanito.
Mm-hmm.
Which thing?
Ulta.
That's fair. Elf Beauty.
No, Ulta.
Estee Lauder?
No, Ulta.
It's about all the makeup companies I can name right now.
Supreme Court to issue rulings for tariffs on Friday. Supreme Court is.
Why does everyone repeat this stuff later?
I know. I'm screaming.
We already said it.
Yeah, dude, how dare you repeat something that was already said?
I'm just sorry. External processor.
I said it. Evan repeated it. And
I'm not. I'm just trying to process it.
You know, I actually think paper break the news. You know, stop being mean, Casey.
I'm just saying it. Evan, you have one job.
One job.
Just one.
I actually saw the post from BK and Lux.
How is BK? How's BK feeling? We'll talk to him in a few days. I know he was a little under the weather. Like everybody's getting this freaking sickness or this flu.
Dude, Anita, I fill in the gaps. Gee, great. I should have shorted that one. I felt that one myself. Every time.
There's no way that's true.
The lab of Rocket is moving.
Dude.
Dude.
Look at Ulta. Look at Ulta. It's a breakout.
Come on, spine keys. You're sitting right on equilibrium. Just flush through it. Did Brown Box make another new high?
I sold majority of my. I bought back majority of my 625 calls that I sold. And
Bang bang,
letting the
baby.
rest expire.
66.19 on Qs. Near the lows of this breaks. It's 19.5.
UPS 104 new highs indeed. Contract.
Good God.
40.
Transports. Yeah, transports. Oh, that's pre-earnings run up.
There we go. Still going lower.
Crush this thing. Told you SPY had a DNR in place and just fucking flushed. Oh.
After those giant moves this morning. What else we did? Tapping into an hourly gap. Don't think there's going to be much left to do. Let's sit in these spreads and let them.
That is the one trade I did not take today that I should have. I still don't mind getting into it now. Oh, bring it down. Bring it down, Tom Crown.
There's midnight open. Still have that gap to fill on NQ and DX.
There you go, SPY. Yes, ma'am. Give me 300 on these. We're almost there.
Almost there. Should probably trim anyways. Pre-market highs.
UPS is ripping. Let's go.
Indeed, I got it.
40%, shawty.
Look at Tessie. I should have, dude, these 430 puts. God damn.
Trump pump. We have the highest stock market in the history of the U.S.
It's not wrong.
It isn't wrong.
$60-point gain M and Q covered down to the runners.
Kid you not. I just went long at 25,660 when he said that. Let's see how it works. I just want to see. My stop is going to be pretty tight. I'm going to give it 10 points, so 25,650.
IDubs, by the way, still at the highs. Kind of like up there. Not broken yet. So, I mean, if I'm gonna reverse, it'd be SPY, and not keys. Lucky rocket up.
Yes, BK, you can. I'll be honest though, I have been not doing the best on options trades, and I'm not happy with that. I made that very clear today, and I'm taking a break for the rest of the week on actual options trades other than spreads. So, but yes, you can. You can follow Casey on there as well. There's definitely a good bit of good people you can follow on there. So I'm taking this week off. I'm looking at literally all my trades for the last month, and I am going to 100% get myself back on track because it is very frustrating knowing basically trading just over 10 years now in the market, knowing I am much better than that. And I just trimmed some here, up 20 points there on NQ. Yeah, the only reason I got him was Trump. my indicator. I literally saw him write that. I said, I'm just gonna try one here. I'm gonna try it here. I got 5 M and Q. Wasn't anything crazy, and I trimmed 3.
I will never forget the day when you said buy the dip between.
Oh yes, and the market won like 1,000 points. I think NDX went that 1,000 points that day.
Apple is looking real ugly.
It is very ugly, like disgusting.
What happened was January 250. I did need something else. Fuck, they're fucking possible here. When do they report earnings? Jan 29. feeling Jan 23, 250. Jesus. I'm going to be on this trade.
It's 25 calls and sold it. Well,
Amazing night.
Think about opening up one here and I can scale into it and pop up higher.
Hey BK, if you text me on X, send me a DM on X, I could send you a discount code for the Alertsify platform. Make sure to text me because it is a little expensive.
might be able to trade this upper low.
All right, I gotta run, guys. European markets closing here in about 15 minutes or so.
Good call.
Yeah, take it easy.
Take it easy.
Bye, Eva.
Dude, honestly, the markets had a crazy hot start to the year.
Mm-hmm.
Really, really nice. Yeah, Western Digital, WDC. That's where SanDisk spun off from. That one's also doing like damn near the same breakout.
Seagate also.
I have a really random pick for 2026 industrials.
It's not random.
I think it's time Trump has to bring factories back. I own maybe the funniest name ticker in the market. That's probably performing most other tickers.
What's that?
Ticker CMI.
Cummins? I don't think this ticker in forever.
This ticker
Just goes up.
is a monster.
Yeah. It's kind of like what is it? T.
It is indeed a fucking monster.
Yeah, well, that made me think of Monster Energy stock as well. So like the charts look so similar. They just both.
Dude, this stock, it's
So
just
spread.
it's a key component, man, of the entire portfolio. Super fucking nice.
So underrated. Like you never.
Bro, literally
talk about
everyone's
Cummins.
trying to find like what nice trade, this, that. Just find a stock that's going up consistently and it's probably gonna keep going higher. Dude, you don't even know my SanDisks fucking got in at $45, $50, just been parked, rolling up contracts every week.
Yeah.
It's stupid.
Shit.
That was up there with my biggest winners for last year, next to gold and silver.
AMD still looking rough. UNH didn't really continue, it's just sideways, but still holding. At ASTS, another good day. I know it's almost at all-time highs. Like what I got. What level is that? 102.79 ASTS. Up 7.2% today. $11.20.
What's the news on AMD?
I know
Piece of shit company came out.
What's that? They released some stuff for the
AMD CEO were working with the US government to find solutions. Demand for AI in China is high.
Lisa Su said she expects 5 billion people to be using AI daily within 5 years. Well, bouncing from midnight open. Not trying to get below that quite yet. It's a decent range for the morning. We've done a lot. We pumped it. We dumped it. I'm not looking for anything more directionally the rest of the day. There's no reason to put that risk on for me. So kicking back. Let these spreads expire and watch this market do whatever it wants to do. But I ain't touching it. Not no more.
Hey, how do I put a tweet up here?
Just whatever tweet you have, just go act like you're gonna share it.
Okay.
And then if you just scroll to the right, like it'll say copy link and all that, you just scroll all the way to the right, it'll show the spaces.
Added another short MNQ, 3-minute EMA risk.
Indeed, a little bear flag at the lows.
Stock efficiency has left the chat. And that's why we get it done the first hour. I'm also going to be speaking at 2 p.m. apparently. Map's pretty green. Some mix in there, but for the most part, every sector is looking pretty good. A little bit more red and like building products.
Hi guys. I will be back. I have to go do something. 1 o'clock, we are hosting a spreads education. So be ready for that. 1 o'clock.
Still have a gap to fill on NQ and NDX. So we still have something to move lower. Wouldn't try it.
Okay. So I will be back. I will catch